Okay, as previously stated in the previous video, now we're going to do the major 7 chord. So if we look at A, let's do an A major chord, normal. And you remember the chord 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then we're just going to add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's quite a stretch with the fingers, is that? As you can see, there, here and here. So let's have a look at B then. Remember, we're going major 7th. So we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4. So there we go, we've got B major 7. Let's do a C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. There's the familiarity with the C. Then we're going to add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As I say, it's quite a stretch to do that with your fingers. Let's do the last one with the D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we just go through the alphabet and just add 4. So the chord is 4, 3, 4. So you want the major chord, then add 4 semitones to get you the major 7th chord. Let's just do one last one then. E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if you can see that. It's actually giving there. There you are. You can see it now. I've just changed the setting on my phone. So you've got E major 7 chord. So anyway, thank you very much for looking in. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Share the video. Click like if you like it. Click down if you hate it. Look out for my next video, which I will be adding to the playlist, which I've covered major chord, minor chords, 7 chords, which is dominant 7th, minor 7th, and this particular video, major 7th. The next one's going to be augmented. The following one after that is diminished. So thanks again. Bye.